If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game's servers and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection with other online services or games. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these may fix bugs related to server connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address the server timeout problem in Cyberpunk 2077. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.